So when we talk about post-quantum era, fixing cryptography is one thing, but there is whole another problem, which is making consensus itself quantum safe. Okay, and consensus is basically how multiple nodes on a blockchain network agrees on what is true, like who can validate a transaction or who can add the next block. Now every validator node needs to prove its identity using cryptographic handshake, which is a digital proof that says that this is a legitimate node and we can trust it. But this cryptographic handshake also uses the same assumptions that quantum computers can break. Okay, so any attacker using quantum computer can actually impersonate as a legitimate validator and inject themselves into the network, and which basically eventually manipulate the ledger, right? So this is the problem. Now the fix is that the validator identity needs its own cryptography, like own quantum safe cryptography, which should be completely separate from transaction signature. So different layer, different algorithm. What I mean by that is, I'll explain that by an example. So quantum chain, which I mentioned earlier also in my video, they use Finks plus for validator identity and dilithium for the transaction signature. So different algorithm for different layer. That's how they are managing the role separation there. So even if one gets compromised, the attacker will only be able to break one layer, right? The damage will be contained.